Hi everyone, Fee here, and joining me today is Dr. Shaker of the Ayurvedic Wellness Center in Pennsylvania. He will be joining us at our studio later this year for some weekend training. One of them is RU Beauty, and I wanted to talk to him today about what you can expect to learn about RU Beauty. But first, maybe just a few sentences about what Ayurveda is and how Ayurveda as a practice to support a woman's need to be beautiful so that people know what to expect when they come to the workshop.
Hi, my name is Dr. Shekhar Anambotla, classically trained Ayurvedic doctor from India and practicing Ayurveda worldwide since 1988. Almost 25 years I'm practicing Ayurveda. I am originally from India, South India, and I live in Pennsylvania. So, Ayurveda is a holistic natural health science from India. It encompasses several modalities such as lifestyle, diet, environment, health, different aspects including herbs, detoxification, and so on. So, when we look into the Ayurvedic beauty, the beauty is classified into inner beauty and outer beauty. That is called in Ayurveda is called Saundharya. Saundharya means beauty. Everybody wants to be beautiful and handsome. For that, first of all, we need to look into that how the beautification can come from inside to outside. For that, there are so many modalities that we adapt into the Ayurveda: proper diet, lifestyle, stress reduction, as well as natural way of detoxification of the body. So, then outer beauty by application of several oils, herbal oils and paste, decoctions, and simple home remedies like using of lavender oils and as well as rose petals, sandalwood powder, this type of natural supplements which are not having any chemicals, any peroxides and all the different chemicals, those who are damages the system. Aloe vera juice, aloe vera creams, aloe vera gel, these type of things which can be incorporated into your external application. So this is the basically Ayurvedic approach of Ayur beauty, is that understanding the philosophy and fundamentals of Ayurveda, along with that how you can detoxify yourself in the home, as well as incorporating proper diet and lifestyle, and beautification methods of application of some simple preparations we are going to teach you in the workshop, hands-on training, particularly how to prepare certain creams and lotions and everything that can be applied in the home, and how to balance the doshas in the body. Doshas means imbalances in the body, that we are going to teach you in a one-day workshop.
Wonderful. I have been spending the last 5 days with Dr. Shaker. We are in his office, and as you can see behind me are the herbs that he uses. This is just a sample of the herbs that he has at his center. The first day we got together, I sat down and said, Dr. Shaker, is there anything you can do for some of my sunspots on my face? He reaches over, takes a packet of herbs, and gives me a bottle of rose water to mix with the concoction. Rose water, I would never have thought to use rose water, which is so much better to mix with the herbs to put on my face instead of just regular tap water. So simple techniques like that you can teach us at the workshop to better take care of our skin as well as our internal systems at the workshop, right?
Thank you. Yes, these are the simple things like a rose water, sandalwood paste, and even the milk powder, milk and milk powders, and yogurt, and certain things which turmeric. Those are so many simple things which can be removing of the detoxification and everything. And also we look into that. Also, liver is the culprit of creating of these imbalances for the skin problems. So first of all, we detoxify the liver, and external beautification for doing of these embrocations like different oils and creams can be applied. Then you can see the wonderful results in a short period of time without having any side effects, and a lot of side benefits are there.
So join us at our workshop with Dr. Shaker. You will see the information for the workshop on the screen of the video. You can also check out our website at www.agamiyoga.com for complete information. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Shaker.
Thank you. Looking forward to see you, all of you, in Louisiana.